So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Coding World, and guys, in this video I am going to show you how to make a Google Snakes game just like this on Scratch. It is very easy to make, and in this game you have to eat all the food, and when you eat food your snake grows a little bit, and if you touch the edge it displays you lose on the screen. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, create a new project. Now delete this sprite and paint another sprite. Just zoom in, take this rectangle and then select any color that you want. I am choosing green because I like it. Okay, so now draw a square like this. Okay. And now set the size to 230. Oops, 230. Okay. Now say when flag is clicked, go in variables, make a variable called speed, make another variable called clones. Now delete this my variable. And now we will say that when flag is clicked, set clones to 0.6 and set speed to 4. And now you can see nothing is happening, but now what we have to do is when flag is clicked, forever if key right arrow is pressed, point in direction 90. If key right arrow is pressed, point in direction 90. If key left arrow is pressed, point in direction minus 90. And if key up arrow is pressed, point in direction 0. And if key down arrow is pressed, point in direction 180. Okay. So now if you see, then over here whenever I press some key, it is changing direction, but it is not doing anything. So at the end of this we can say move 10 steps, but instead of 10 we will put our variable speed over here. Now over here you can see that our sprite is moving, but this is not looking like a snake. So what we will do is we will say when flag is clicked, forever create clone of myself, and then when I start as a clone, wait clone seconds and then delete this clone. Now you can see it is looking just like a snake and moving like a snake. Okay, so now what we will do is we will just paint a food type of something. Okay, so now we will draw a red colored fruit or something and set its size to 230 again, or we will put it 200 so that it will be a bit smaller and then it will look more like a fruit. And now in the fruit we will say when flag is clicked, go to random position, forever if touching the edge, go to random position, and if touching the sprite 1, which is the snake, again go to random position, and then we will say change clones by 0.5. 2. Oops. We will put point 2, not point 1, because it is just a bit smaller. Yep. So now what we will do is we will go over here and we will just close the tick mark from the clones and speed. Now we are able to see the variables. Now our game is working with properly. But how can we lose in this game? We cannot just lose in this game. But no, we can lose in this game, which I will teach you in the next video. This is all for today. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.